don't you wear earphones?
Yeah.
Which means for them to move.
We can hear it from across
Well,
the
good.
way.
So what?
I like to listen to nature. That's all. I don't want to be
Well,
argumentative.
well,
it's just, it's
well, you know
kind
what?
of
Me neither.
obnoxious.
I'm here for an hour, and it seems like
Tell
every
me
time.
what time you come, and I won't come. Then.
Well, you know what? I'm not on a schedule, and I'm surely not on your schedule.
No, sir, you're not.
So I mean, if you don't want to listen,
obnoxious.
you don't want to listen. Put some earphones on.
I want to hear nature.
I want to listen to music. This is a public park.
Put your headphones on.
Yeah. Okay.